Let's start with your swing on the bottom here. As we look at the setup position, this was P1. We want the feet to be a little bit wider to support your broad shoulders, and we want the toes out just a little bit. So look at Grant weight at the top screen. So notice how the toes are out. That helps with rotation. Let's go to P2, shaft parallel to the earth. All right, notice where the head is. We started in the center square. Your hips started in the barrel. Let's go to P3. So basically 3 o'clock. So we noticed from P2 to P3 that the lead arm is starting to get a little soft here, and that our head has moved from the center square over. Then we go to P4, top of swing, and we can really see the integrity of the lead arm has broken down now. All right, we really want to keep that thing straight, and we can see where the head has moved even more over. All right, so as we come down, we're going into P5. What we noticed was the hips really weren't making that great of a move into and through the golf ball. Here you are at P5. P3 and P5 are the same. Coming into P6. Now, as we're coming in, those hips should still be going, but you can see the chest and arms are catching up with the lower body. Look at your trail foot at the impact position, pretty much flat. All right. P8, shaft parallel to earth. P9, 9 o'clock. Look at your trail foot again, squashing the bug, as we say. And then P10, the finish of swing. You can see how we have a lot of pressure back here on trail foot. Now take a look at Grant weight at the top of the screen. Here, there he is at P1, going to P2, shaft parallel. Look at that lead arm. So when we had the ball between the forearms, that is trying to keep that pressurization in the arms. Notice where his head remains in the center square. To P3, look at the lead arm. To P4, top of swing, look at that lead arm, beautifully straight. Triangle has stayed the same. Now watch what's going to happen from P4. Look at those hips. Now they're bursting through the barrel. And here he is at P5. Look at the shins moving to the target. P6, shaft parallel to earth. Look at the trail foot, okay, and see those shins. Just like we like to see. Coming into the impact position, we've got a lowercase y with the lead arm down to the club head. And the right arm, create that lowercase y. He's banking off of the trail foot. Watch that triangle as he goes through, because he's getting off of that right side. He's able to keep those hands out and keep that beautiful triangle, thus keeping the club head going down your target line for as long as possible. And as he goes to P10, top of swing, look at how he is weightless, nearly weightless on the trail foot. All right, and the belly is to the left of the target.